not taking his calls? It's been over 30 minutes now and he's not taking any of my calls. This is 9:30. Kevin has never stayed out this late, except I'm with him. Where could it be? And why is he not answering my calls? Kelvin, where are you coming from? I am asking you a question and you're ignoring me.
Will you just leave my way?
Not until you tell me where you've been.
For the last time, leave my way now.
And if I refuse, what are you going to do? Beat me? Eh? Oh, so you're pushing me because I am asking you where you're coming from and you don't want to tell me. Oh, Kevin! You want to beat me? You're going to beat me today. So, Kelvin, after everything that happened at your office, you still booked a date with your secretary.
See,
you went to apologize on my behalf, right?
I've had enough of you.
Kelvin,
You understand?
I want you to kill me. That is what I want from you. Kevin, what did I do to you to deserve this kind of treatment from you? What?
You are disturbing me. Just shut up.
I have not even started and you're already complaining. Kelvin, you will know no peace in this house until you tell yourself the truth. You should be ashamed of yourself.
You're making a hell of noise, for God's sake. You're making noise.
Kelvin, I want you to beat me. Kelvin, I want you to beat me. Beat me this night.
I'm so disappointed in you.
Look at who is talking. You are a monumental disappointment. And I promise you, you're going to pay for every pain you've caused me. Bet me. For a shame. This is what I want. I want you to beat me. This is what I want. Kelvin, beat me. You're ashamed, guys. Kelvin, beat me. Kill me. That is what I want. Kill me. I take my death. Kill me. Kelvin, kill me. Kelvin, beat me. I take my dead body to my mother. Kill me.
Look at his hand. It's very big like King Kong hand. If I give you Sambia. If I give you Sambia, you will die.
Give me. What are you waiting for?
I'm so disappointed in you. Get out.
Kelvin, you're shameless.
Get out of my way.
Kelvin, you're shameless. Kelvin, you're going nowhere. Kill me. Where do you think you're going to? I gave you talking to you, stand. Where do you think you're going to?
What is your problem? What is it?
Kelvin, I want you to beat me. You must beat me in this house.
Why are you doing this? Huh?
Didn't you hear what I just said? I said you must beat me.
Say, I'm going to be a fool to lay my hands on you. I thought you loved me. But thank God you've shown your true color. You're just a waste.
What will you do?
Thank God you've actually shown your true color.
Kelvin, what will you do? Cancel our wedding. Please go ahead and cancel it. I wouldn't have accepted this relationship if I had known that you are a Casanova, a he-goat.
You know what? You're going to regret this.
I am not going to regret anything. You are the one who is going to regret it. You are the one, Kelvin. You are the one who is going to regret it. He has ruined everything. Everything. I love him so much. He has ruined everything.
I saw how devastated he was yesterday. I believed him when he said he's not having an affair with his secretary. I know Kelvin more than any other person. Zara must have acted out of ignorance and misconception. He was not happy throughout our stay yesterday.
Rita, I see what happened at my friend's hotel. It was too crowded and I don't like it like that. So I decided we'll come back here and then talk. It's quiet here though.
It's fine.
Okay, you see, it hurts so bad when you trust someone and the person is behaving somehow. Okay? I don't see the reason I should be sleeping with my secretary. That memory will never leave my thought for the rest of my life.
I believe you because I know what you can do. It's quite unfortunate she misunderstood what she saw. And that only means one thing. She's been suspecting you.
You see, Zara will never display that kind of character. She has not done it before. I think someone somewhere is trying to feed her with some kind of information, which is not good.
You could be right.
But Rita, you caused it. You left me. You abandoned me because of your father.
Have I not told you what happened? I was kept indoors. And you? If I were you, I would have kept visiting.
I would have been a dead man if I had tried that. Rita, you see, Zara met me when I already need money. But you were there when I had nothing.
And I still gave you my virginity, isn't it?
You're right. The memories of that night would never leave my thoughts. I really miss you.
You broke my heart. And I'll never forgive you for that.
You caused it. Your father nearly killed me.
Meaning that you cannot lay down your life for the one you love?
You're guilty of the same accusation you're laying on me. You would have decided to come out to look for me.
Okay. Now you are trying to justify yourself. Kelvin, you are the man. And it's your responsibility to show me that you love me. To prove it to me.
Rita, it's okay. You win.
He is still the same Kelvin that I used to know. So gentle and caring.
What is it?
I'm worried about Zara. The devil is about to destroy her relationship with Kelvin.
What is it again this time?
She called on the phone just now and was crying that Kelvin came back home very late at night yesterday. He had a date with the secretary and came back home very late.
He had a date with his secretary and came back home very late.
That's what Zara said.
How did she know he was with his secretary?
She said when he asked him where he was coming from that late at night, he didn't say anything to her. He didn't answer her.
And because of that, she concluded he was with his secretary? Don't you think she's making a big mistake?
I don't know. Rita, I'm confused. I'm confused with the whole thing that's happening. I think Zara have lost it. Seriously. And she said Kelvin had even threatened to end their relationship.
That is serious.
That's why I need to see Kelvin. I think I need to see Kelvin.
And tell him what?
I need to hear his own side of the story. I need to ask him or confirm what Zara has been saying. Like you rightly said, Zara might be making a mistake.
I don't think seeing Kelvin will make any difference. For me, I think your friend Zara is the problem here.
I have to see Kelvin.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Yes, come in. Just give me a few minutes, I'll call you back. Yep.
Oh, sorry for the disturbance, sir.
It's okay, what is it?
I brought you this.
What is it for?
My resignation letter.
Your resignation letter?
Sir, I told you about the threat I got from your wife.
Are you out of your mind? What is wrong with you? You're giving me your resignation letter. And for your information, I'm not yet married to her. So stop calling her my wife.
Sir, I am the only child of my parents. I don't want anything to happen to me. Please, sir, I can get you another secretary if you want.
Do not get me angry, okay? As long as I'm still here, she has no right over anything here, so go back to your seat.
Please, sir, try to understand me. My parents asked me to quit.
Can I talk with your father?
Please, sir, it's of no use. My dad will not listen to you, and even my mom too. You've been a good boss to me, and I really appreciate it. I need to leave now, please. Thank you, sir. I'll have to leave.
Yeah, Victor, don't command me anyhow for my own car. You are talking to a big boy. No. It's 20,000 naira. Do you know how much it cost me to buy fuel? I will spend 15,000 naira on fuel alone. Huh? I know. It's 20,000 naira on nothing. What is it?
Yeah, Peter, I'm back. So you are here? Eh? Come to the front now, Biko.
Victor, let me call you back, okay? What is it? Eh? Didn't you see that I was on a call?
Whether you're on a call or not is none of my business. I warned you, but you refuse to listen to me. Come to the front and receive your visitors.
Visitors? Which visitors are you talking about?
So you want me to answer that question, right?
See my local trouble. This woman, she just makes a mountain out of a molehill. Eh? Every trivial matter, she must bring quarrel. Just to receive visitors, quarrel. Ha! This Ogbanje, I'm sure Ogbanje is disturbing her.
Where is he? Where is your husband? Don't disturb me because your brother is coming. Officers, go in there and arrest him. Arrest my husband. For what? What has he done? That is him. Officers, get him arrested.
Get who arrested? Eh? What is going on here? Who do you want them to arrest? What is the problem?
You, Peter. Peter, you are a thief. Oyoshikibu, Peter.
You are a thief?
Yes!
How?
You are a thief. Ngwa, give me the car keys. Give me the key to this car.
Which car are you talking about? My car? Wait, you want me to give you my car keys? How?
Your car. Did I warn you? Did I not warn you? Oyoshi.
Look, officers, if it is because of my car that people came here to make arrest, this is what I call wrong arrest. This car belongs to me. As a matter of fact, it was my late brother that left it for me. He died. And I inherited everything I had. So how can you arrest me over my own thing?
Hey, Peter, Peter, you are a thief. How can you say it's your car?
My brother's car, your car. Lizzie, why are you doing this? Huh?
Officer,
Why are you doing this?
this man is wasting our time. He's wasting our time. Get him arrested. Let him get the car keys and let's go to the station at once.
Mr. Peter, you are under arrest for unlawful possession. And now you have to cooperate with us. We don't want to use force on you. Where is the key to the car?
No, but officer, I don't understand. How can my own thing become an unlawful thing? How can I be in possession of my own thing unlawfully?
What is your thing? You don't know what your thing is? Peter, you don't know what your thing is? Peter, this car is not yours.
I know you are like this. You are a corrupt person. We are talking of car, you are talking of something else.
Give me the car key,
give them this key. Man, he be fool.
Look, you don't have to insult me. You don't have to insult me.
Okay. Officers, if this woman say, him again, arrest her with her husband.
Arrest me for
yes!
What did I do? Let them arrest
You don't know what you did?
Let them
for
arrest
marrying
me.
Peter.
Yes! For marrying Peter. Let them arrest me.
Mr. Peter, can we have the car keys? You are wasting our time, please.
Get him handcuffed.
Eh? Handcuff? No, you don't need to handcuff me. I'll give you.
Give me!
What is where? What is where? You want them to handcuff me? Where?
I don't want them to.
You are waiting, let's go!
So you get them the key.
Come!
Hey, you shut up, idiot!
Hey!
Now move.
I said it, that you are not a man. That you are not a man.
Just keep quiet!
You
want them to handcuff me?
I say move.
Oh, you are fearing for handcuff.
Come and be a man now.
Mr. Man, move.
I said it. Hey! Hey! A man that cannot act like a man. What is he? Woman rapper? Useless man? Senseless man? Foolish man? Shameless man? That is what you are. I'm not here. Hey! The only property that we got from the late chief is now gone. I am about to see Aka. Hey! All my sufferings, all my efforts is now useless. Hey! Peter, you must pay for this. You must pay for this.
How can you reap what you did not sow? How can you claim what does not?
I've never been embarrassed and humiliated in my life. You can imagine someone like Zara accusing me of sleeping with my secretary, even to an extent of threatening my secretary to resign. And she resigned this morning. I'm left alone here without a secretary. You can imagine.
Calvin, this one tired me. Seriously. Well, I tried talking to Zara about it, but she kept her ground that she's sleeping with your secretary.
I think I am done. I can't continue with such a relationship. I am done with this relationship. I mean, I've come to an end of this
Don't
relationship.
say that, please. Don't say that. I know too well that Zara made a mistake. I'm pleading with you to please give her some time. She will definitely realize her mistake.
I cannot be having anything to do with someone who doesn't trust me. Zara has actually betrayed the trust I have for her. She has betrayed the trust.
You betrayed yourself, my daughter did not betray you. Yes, would it have happened if you are not caught kissing your secretary in this office?
Mama, don't say that. You've not heard from him.
What are you saying? That Zara is a fool or she does not know what she's saying?
Mama, that's not what I said. Mama, there's a problem on the ground. All we need to is how to settle this problem so that there will be peace.
What kind of peace are you talking about? How would you feel if you were my daughter? He's here telling you that my daughter betrayed him. Why is he the one that betrayed my daughter?
Mama...
Will you shut up? Shut it up because I'm not here for you. He has mouth, let him speak for himself. Yeah? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. No, you have to answer. What are you doing here? I hope you're not having an affair with your friend's fiancé.
Mama, please!
What are you doing in your friend's fiancé's place? I want to know. Answer me.
Kelvin, I think I need to go now. I really have to go.
To where? To where? Where are you going? You have to explain to my daughter what you are doing in her fiance's office.
Mama, no problem. Come and see her.
Where are you going? It's a question. Sit down.
Mama, I have to go now.
You have to
I'm
go.
going to my office now.
Sorry, Mama.
Happy and wait.
No matter the challenges and obstructions, no matter the
Lord have mercy.
what we be will be, what we be will be, what we be will be. So why plan evil for a harmless fellow?
Yes, Mom. Kate? Mom, are you serious? Okay. Mom, I read you. Mom, I'll call you back. Wait. Kate is not even on my side. Hey, madam! If you're coming here because you want to tell me how you insulted my mother at my husband's office, well, you need to do a U-turn and go back to your house because she already told me what happened. I thought you have sense. Did you just call me senseless?
You can give it whatever interpretation you want. So you actually sent your mother to go and insult Calvin instead of being on the side of settlement, right?
What stupid settlement are you talking about? Is that why you insulted my mother over a matter that is not even yours?
Is that all you have to say?
Yes, I am so disappointed in you. I thought you were my friend, but you were busy stabbing me at the back and pretending to be a good person.
You're the one who has disappointed yourself by allowing your mother to cause a rift between you and the man who is supposed to marry you. Let me tell you one thing. I will learn to mind my business from today onwards.
Fine! I can handle this situation all by myself. I don't need your assistance.
Good luck, my good friend.
Go!
Good luck.
And if you think this is the end between me and Calvin's relationship, then you're making a mistake. Because I am going to fight tooth and nail to get my man back. Enemy of progress, backstabbers! You come and act all nice in front of me and then you stab me at the back. Rubbish.
Zara and her mother have really shown me their true color. I'm happy all these are happening now. This is a clear sign that Zara is not my wife. Thank God I found my true love. A woman who loves me with all her heart. Who loves me for who I am and not what I am. She has never betrayed my trust in her. That is the kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Yeah, you can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to drink. You can fight within your powers, but what will be will be. You cannot break a bond that is so strong, a bond built in true love, a bond built in true love. 'Cause no matter
I've never been embarrassed like this in my life. Do you know that her mother accused me of sleeping with Kelvin too?
Are you serious?
I am telling you the truth. Kelvin could not say a word. The woman was just ranting and ranting.
Then she must be the one misleading her daughter.
She is, because she even called Zara immediately to tell her that I was insulting her and abusing her. By the time I got to Kelvin's house, Zara was already waiting to attack me.
Did she?
She belittled me. She gave me the highest insult of my life.
Is she with her senses? Why would she attack you for trying to settle issues between she and Kelvin?
I regret going to that office. And I told her that she will regret her action. She will live to regret that action. The action she took towards me, she will live to regret it.
No. She didn't get it right. Who then will stand for her?
Who else? Her mother. She will definitely stand for her.
Kate, do you think Kelvin will end the relationship between him and Zara because of this?
I don't know, because I don't care anymore. Whatever Zara sees in that relationship, let her take it. Please, I'm tired. I need to rest.
No, Mom, he's not yet back. Mom, I told you, don't worry yourself about Kevin. I can handle the situation.
Hey, listen to me. Pack your things and leave this house. And you have 30 minutes to do that. Do you hear me? Do you get that?
And what if I refuse?
You have no choice, my dear. Since you have the guts to tell your mother to come to my office to insult me, I am done with you.
Kevin, you lie. Oh, so you think you can just toss me out like some piece of trash because of that what you call a secretary, right?
Hey, listen. And listen good. Pack your things and leave this house. And your 30 minutes start counting from now.
Kelvin, I am going nowhere. You have not had anything. I am going nowhere. Or you think throwing me out will be that easy for you? Then you need to have a rethink.
Don't push me.
Kelvin, I think it's high time I tell your mother what is going on.
Do not push me. Pack your things and leave my house. You're not yet my wife. So calling my mother will not change my mind. I warn you.
Let's watch and see how. Mom is packing my stuff. Yeah, your mom wants to talk to you.
If I touch that phone, I'll just smash it on the floor. I'm even helping you packing the clothes. So it will be easier for you. If I touch that phone, I will smash it on the floor. Don't joke with me, oh.
Mom, he has refused to take the phone from me. Okay, ma.
If you want, call my mom from now till next millennium. You must leave this house. You must leave this house.
Then you will have to bundle me out from this place.
I don't understand. Why should I give you my phone?
Give me that phone.
For what?
Hello, Mom. Mom? Yes, I'm very busy now. I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
Don't touch any of my things, oh. Don't touch any of my things.
If you don't leave my way, I'm going to break you into pieces. Do you understand?
Hey, just tell me that you want to kill me! Tell me that you want to kill me! I brought to my corpse to my mother! Tell me that you want to kill me! Just kill me! Just say you want to kill me! Kill me, then you brought to my corpse and then take it to my mother! I'm not going anywhere! I'm not going anywhere! Come and carry me! Come and carry me! Come and carry me! Give my stuff! Give my stuff! I'm not going anywhere! Come and carry me!
Hello, Mom. Yes, I'm going to somewhere. Mom, if I return and see her in that house, it's going to be something else. Mom, it's nothing. That one is nothing. It's just 3 years relationship. It's just 3 years relationship and I'm done with her. Zara is not a wife material. She was only pretending. Okay? She was just only pretending. Mom,
Yeah. You can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to drink. You can fight within your powers, but what will be, will be.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Oh my God,
You see this thing, eh? Lizzie will not go scot-free. I must deal with her. Eh? She cannot get that cow. That cow, she will never get it. Okay.
Empty threats. Eh? You're just making useless noise.
More. Empty threat, useless noise. Do you know what they did to me in that police cell? Small boys, oh, Rastichi. They were giving me uppercut. Uppercut. Imagine one small one. They said that one is your guy. That one, he asked me to be funny him like this. Can you imagine? In fact, this thing that Lizzie did, no. I will so deal with her.
Biko, I did not say we should not retaliate. Before you do that, you have to give me my money first. Because I warned you.
Money? Which money are you talking about?
Can't care which money am I talking about? The 5,000 I used to bail you.
5,000? You mean you carry the whole 5,000 naira to give to police in Nigeria? You don't know that bail is free? The Inspector General of Police has said it, that police is your friend. So bail is free. Why would you go and pay money to bail me? Eh? The whole 5,000 naira. After you say you don't have money, you are laughing.
You know why I'm laughing? I just want to laugh because I don't want to vent my angers on you. You know, yeah? Just give me that 5,000 naira before I lose it.
You see yourself, your angers. So it's not even one anger you have for me. You have plenty angers for me. But did I ask you to spend money to bail me? Did you take permission from me? Don't ask me for money, oh.
Peter!
That's my name.
See, if you don't give me that 5,000 naira today, you will see the other side of
You
me.
can't do anything. You're my wife. Wait, what are you going to do to me that they didn't do to me in the cell? You're my wife, you're threatening me. My friend, go inside and boil water so that you can massage myself, yaku. All the places that are now join. I cannot release them with you. What are you talking? My friend, go and boil water.
It is not only massaging you. I will sing lullaby to you.
I like singing. Go. Eh? Me, I love ya. Look at this woman, oh. You are just misbehaving. Me, your husband, I pay. Okay, don't worry. At night, don't come and do your duties to straighten me up. Then you will know that I am Peter. Eh? Idiot. If you are an idiot.
How can you reap what you did not sow? How can you claim what does not belong to you? Hey, greediness first, then destruction follows. Come out your eye over waiting no be your owner. Evil people everywhere. Hey, wicked people everywhere. Patrolling like hungry wolves, attacking the innocent. Oh, evil people everywhere.
No, Mom, he's not yet back. Yeah, I made him dinner. Okay, Mom, no problem.
And what are you still doing here? I thought I told you I do not want to see you when I come back here. What are you still doing in my house?
And I remember telling you that I am not going anywhere.
Zara, you're pushing me. You're pushing me. Oh. When I will react, you might not like it. You might not like it. You better carry your things and leave my house.
I am not going anywhere. So after climbing me up and down, you want to throw me away?
And I paid you for climbing you up and down. I paid you. I took care of you and your family and all the things I did for you in the past. So stop talking rubbish. Leave this house before it's too late.
Kelvin, you must want this relationship.
Okay, you want to try me, right?
You have to kill me. That's the only way you can treat me out of
Then
this
you
house.
will die. Then I am going to kill you. That will be the solution.
Kelvin, kill me and end everything. Just kill me. Because I am not going anywhere. You must marry me whether you like it or not. You think you can just choose me and throw me out like some piece of shit? Rubbish.
You can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to drink. You can fight within your powers, but what will be, will be. You cannot break a bond that is so strong, a bond built in true love, a bond built in true.
Baby, please get up. We need to talk. Kelvin, we need to talk.
See, I don't want to just want to relax. Why are you disturbing my peace?
Please just hear me out. Kelvin.
You're disturbing me. What is this now?
Kelvin, I am sorry. Okay? I'm sorry for everything. I did all those things because I love you. And I can't afford to share you with another woman. Kelvin. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I beg you in the name of God. Please just forgive me.
You're just wasting your time begging, okay?
Kelvin.
See, you know how my fat is. It might blind you, it might make you faint. Don't make me to fat on your face.
I'm sorry now. Please just hear me out. I'm sorry. Just forgive me, please.
Stop trying.
Kelvin.
You better stop this. She's shaking me up.
Kelvin. Kelvin. Kelvin.
Stop touching me now. I'm not a dog.
Please hear me out now. I'm sorry.
You did not go to work today. What happened?
My dear, which work? I've resigned though.
Why? I thought you said the man is treating you well.
It's not the man that is my problem. It's that useless girl that he wants to marry. She accused me of having an affair with my boss. So, my dear, my life is so important to me. I don't want to die, yo. She threatened to kill me. And you know that I'm the only child of my parents. I can't lose my life now.
What did the man say?
The man? The man doesn't have any problem. He said I should not quit, but I don't have any. I can't even wait because I don't know what this girl have in mind to do.
Are you really having an affair with him? You know you're my friend, you can really confide in me.
Helen, are you the one asking me this? But you should know me by now. I can't have an affair with my boss.
Just calm down.
Who are you, this idiot? God has punished you today. So you think I will allow you go scot-free after ruining my relationship, right?
Madam, I didn't do you anything. I'm not having an affair with your husband.
You are very stupid. You are an idiot. Or you think you can cost me my relationship and then go? Do you know her? Is she your friend or your sister?
She's my friend.
This imbecile here. She has cost me my relationship. My wedding was fixed for next month. But guess what? It's no longer happening. Because she wouldn't allow my husband be!
Madam, please,
she wouldn't allow my husband be! I'll just allow you go. I'll just allow you go scot-free like that.
Calm down.
You make me ruin my relationship. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Because you need a relationship.
Leave my friend alone, madam, please.
Wait, please turn around. Let's go back to the house. Take me back to where you came from, please. I'll pay.
Please hurry. Oga, hurry.
Is this not the book I've been asking Rita to read? I am going to read it today. It is must be an interesting.
Give my money. No delay me. Give my money.
Please, look, I'm coming. Just give me a few minutes. Let me fix something. I'm coming. I forgot something.
Oh my God.
Rita, you forgot the book. Yes. I did. Yes. Can I take a look at the picture?
Oh, I'm in a hurry. Later.
Why is she hiding the picture? Why?
So what are you going to do now?
I'm waiting for my mother to come.
So you have to wait for your mother to come before you can take a decision?
No, not that. I just want to satisfy my mother's wish. I can take my decision myself.
You know why I'm saying this?
Why?
I have come to take what is mine. Zara should go where she belongs.
You see, I'm just doing this because of my mother. Okay? I don't want her to start blaming me for anything. Zara has crossed her boundaries and she must face the consequences.
So what if she says otherwise?
How?
If she insists you must marry Zara.
The decision is mine, and that's final. I've made my own decision. Okay? Does Kate know that we are close to each other?
Not yet. I don't want her to know now. Remember this?
Wow. You still keep this? I remember the day I deflowered you. You look gorgeous. I'm so happy I found you again.
Thank you.
This picture.
Let me have it back.
Wow. I'm hungry. Do you mind if we go to somewhere and eat?
What response are you expecting? No? Of course not. Yes.
You're looking at me. Slap is not enough. What is slap? You should have killed her.
Mommy, don't you trust your daughter? Don't you know what I can do? Mom, you needed to see what I did to that girl.
Mom.
If not for the fact that her friend was there, I would have killed her and buried her.
That is it.
Don't you trust me?
I am solidly behind you. Yes, like a rock. So don't be scared.
Even his mother is solidly behind me. She said she's coming today.
Which means you are 100% sure. Safe. Safe, very safe. Hey, you see that boy? I will never allow you step out of that house. You will not take an inch out of that house. After using me, he wants to dump you like a piece of land. It will not work.
That's what I told you. He cannot throw me out. It's not even possible. After 3 years of relationship.
Yes! Where? When I'm still alive, it will never work. Tell me the reason why you're afraid.
But Mom, what if that secretary is using a charm on me? You know girls of these days, what they cannot do does not exist. You can't trust them.
Zara, you just got me angry right now. You are talking of sham. Sham! Hey! You are talking about sham where I am. When it comes to the worst, I will take the native doctor's shrine and the native doctor straight into my house. Yes, when I give him money, he brings it. I give him money, he brings it.
I know my mother.
Of course I am your mother. Hey!
Kevin should come and throw me out of his house and let me see.
He cannot do that. He can never try it. I will not allow him to do it. To use you like a piece of rag and dump you, it will never happen.
I am proud to be your daughter.
Very, very proud also to be your mother because my duty is to protect you and give you a good life. Yes.
That's how it should be.
Don't talk about Sam again, Bam. Don't go that way. Because when you call that Sam, my head turns. Because I will collect the shrine and the native doctor and bring them here. So they don't have to go anywhere before I begin to operate.
I don't know if you're getting it. You just toss me out like a piece of trash.
It will not work. It will not work. Never.
I'm hungry. Did you cook?
Or has
Hi.
5 wraps. I mount them one after the other.
I love it. I love it. Hey.
Please have this while I prepare dinner.
Oh, thank you, my dear. How is your mom?
Oh, she's very fine. I went to visit her today and she actually asked about you.
Oh, yeah. I'll get to see her someday.
I am sure she'll be happy to see you too. I'll be in the kitchen.
Okay, my dear. Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's such a good girl. I don't know what has gotten over my son. No. He has to stop saying that girl. That demon of a girl. No, not in this house. That is my wife.
You can fight within your powers, but what will be, you cannot break.
Thank you so much. You've actually made my day.
I should be the one thanking you for accepting to do this for us.
You're welcome. You're still the same Rita I used to know back in the days. Not really changed. Even though we lost contact, but you're still the same person I used to know back in the days.
And you are still the same Kelvin of yesterday. I'm so happy to have found you again.
Likewise here. My mom.
We should get going then. It's late already.
Okay then. See you.
Good night.
That is so strong. A bond built in true love. A bond built in true love. Cause no matter what, no matter the fight, and the obstacles, what we be will be. 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 No matter the challenges and obstructions.
Where has she been since afternoon? Her number has been switched off. Look at the time. And she's not yet back. Rita is seeing someone, but she doesn't want me to know about it. I'm sure that picture she was hiding has a connection to this.
What happened to your phone? What happened to your phone?
Sorry.
My battery ran off. And he'll be worried.
Who are you seeing?
He's my friend.
And you don't want to tell me about it?
Look, I was going to tell you. But the thing is, I'm still taking my time to, get to know him before I discuss him with you.
Rita, you're in my house. I need to know wherever you go to each time you leave the house. In case of anything. Not for any other reason. Just for your safety.
I understand. No vex. Don't worry. I'll tell you about him soon.
It's okay.
Okay, let me go in and freshen up. I'll join you soon.
I said it. I need to find out who the person is before I get myself into what I don't want.
So, what is he doing outside till this time of the night?
Mommy, it should have been seeing me.
And to think of it, he's not even picking my calls.
Oh, don't worry yourself. He will soon be back. I'm already getting used to it.
It's not true. You won't get used to this. Let him come back and tell me where he has been till this time of the night.
Oh. Hi, Mom. Good evening.
Where are you coming back from? At this time of the night?
I went to visit a friend. Yeah. Is anything the matter?
So, you come back at this time of the night and you asking me, is anything the matter?
Mom, what are you saying?
What I'm saying, Kelvin, is that you should stop visiting that girl. That's what I'm saying.
Is that what she told you?
Nobody told me anything, Kelvin. I am judging you by what I see. Look at the time you're returning home. Is that the way I raised you?
Mom, as you can see, I'm so tired and I don't have strength to talk much.
Seriously?
I need to rest.
I'm making noise, right?
I never said so, Mom.
Kelvin, nobody sleeps this night. Until I finish the meeting I want to have with both of you.
No meeting for me, oh. Yes, because I'm going to rest. Oh,
Kelvin.
No need to know. I need to rest, please.
Kelvin!
Mom, I need to rest.
You're walking out on me, Kelvin. Kelvin, I will come to that bedroom and I will pour hot water on you. What rubbish!
Mommy, you have seen it now.
No. I didn't bring him up this way. It will stop. You say you're going to get used to what? To my son returning home at night?
What can I do?
Good. I'm off to work.
Are you not taking your breakfast?
No, I'm late already.
What is it?
Mom, Kelvin has refused to take his breakfast. I don't know what I've done to him. He's hell bent on ruining my life.